Just based off higher time frames, it looked like it has a chance. Maybe when it hits this bottom of the support area, you see something like that. Wow, that thing just rocketed, guys. The full breakdown on how I even identify this trade setup. Day 13 of turning an evaluation account into a funded account, guys. Welcome back, my future fellow millionaires and my day traders, guys. Now in this video, we're gonna go over our P&L for the week, what had happened yesterday during MLK Day, because guys, we had done overtraded. So we're gonna show you guys all our trades, as well as even trade today, guys. And if you guys are new to the channel, my name is Padre. I've been trading for over 4 years, almost 5. In April of this year, it'll be 5 years officially that I will have been trading. And guys, last year, we just picked up some futures trading, beginning of May or June. And ever since then, guys, we have been taking payouts, getting funded accounts. And so here we are today working on 2 evaluation accounts, trying to turn them into funded accounts so that we can take big payouts. So with all that being said, let's see how much money we can make today. Let's see what we can even do today. And let's also dive right into Monday's losses. So as you guys can see, we were halfway there to funded at one point. And then this day actually did set us up decently bad. So you guys can see I took plenty of trades on this day, like over traded, taking losses, taking wins, and then straight from there, just straight losses. So as soon as I hit $250 on the day, I just locked out. I decided to not try to recover. I decided not to try to enter one more trade because the market really was not giving that much good conditions. And we tried to trade gold. Gold and silver was the main one. But gold is at all-time highs. Same thing with silver. And guys, that is amazing to know. One thing is, I am watching some MNQ and MES. Gonna see what we can do today, of course, but we're gonna be very cautious, very careful. Market just sold off super hard, so we're gonna see if there's gonna be some type of pullbacks around here. That's what I'm waiting for. But of course, can't just expect that to happen. We're gonna see what the market actually gives us today. So let's see, stay tuned, and let's see how much money else we can make today. So I haven't taken any trades yet, but I'm not gonna lie, guys. It looks like it could easily bounce and recover here, but I'm not gonna take anything. The reason why I say it looks like it can easily bounce and recover is because just based off the 1 hour time frame, you can see we did, sell off here from the 78 Fibonacci retracement level, or AK just in general, a resistance level. Then we've flown all the way down, bounced at this other support level. And here we are kind of just ranging on the 1 hour. And so far, guys, it looks just a tad bit, just based off higher time frames, it looked like it has a chance to climb on higher. Of course, on the 5 minutes lower time frame, the one that we do watch for entries, it does not look like any entries. You can see we did climb up here strongly and then kind of just start selling off. And guys, look at, just read candles. Look at what the candlesticks are literally telling you. Strong buyers, doji, major strong buyer, and then bearish engulfing. Seller starts stepping in, long wick to the upside, indicating that seller stepping in. Another doji type candle. Even look at the volume, it's getting weak. Like, that's literally how you can see it's in your favor, as far as like there's no reasons to go long. Maybe when it hits this bottom of the support area and shows volume kicking in again, maybe you can enter it long, but that's all I'm trying to show you guys, how I read candlesticks. You see something like that. As you guys can see, price literally just reacts to this most previous area of support, guys, the general area of support, which really what it is a Fibonacci retracement, being the 61.8%. Volume is kicking in just a tad bit. At least it's greater than the most previous seller candles, so it has a chance to reverse here, and that is how I read candlesticks, guys. So shall I enter? We'll see. Wow, that thing just rocketed, guys. So I identified a very simple bounce here on the 4 hour level. And again, guys, the best entry you can get, which everything lines up in favor. You got to make sure all the time frame lines up in favor. In this case, it did. And then guys, look at this is the breakout here, the most previous highs. And then now here's a pullback retest of the most previous highs again, guys. That's how simple I keep it, man. So he had asked me, do I use confirmation? So I want to show you guys first the full breakdown on how I even identify this trade setup, how you guys can find entry, and how to identify price action. So very simply, we all saw market sold off majorly hard here as a major sell-off, a gap, even a gap here, and it sold off to the most previous area. So all I did was grab the candle, the low of the bottom of the candle, so the bodies, the low of that wick, and extend it all the way out. That's all I did. You can see all I mentioned was there's a potential bounce here. Then what do? You go down to the 1 hour time frame, watch the price action. You can see price did bounce just a tad bit here. Price even tested this general area, and first hour market being open, it did even hold. Then you go down to lower time frames, such as the 15-minute time frame, and you could even see price is holding the general area. First 15 minutes of market being open, it majorly got bought. Broke above previous highs on that candle, and then guys, again, pulled back, nice hammer candle here, and a major buyer stepped on it. Then again, you go down to the 5-minute time frame. I know people love their lower time frames. Again, I even mentioned earlier in the vlog that a potential entry could easily be at this pullback at this general area. Again, every time price hits this general area, it tends to bounce. So again, it bounced here. And guys, this is literally where that 15-minute candle showed for a hammer earlier at this 7:15 candle close. So everything is lining up to potentially take an entry long here, and anybody that did got paid. So that's all I want to show you guys and show anybody that's wanting to learn how to trade how simple it is. And if you guys need help on identifying trades like this, as well as even learning how to identify an entry, click the link in the bio and I'll see you guys in the Discord, guys. Tons of sauce every single day. Plus you get access to the premium courses, which does show you guys exactly the playbook of how I find entries, use candlesticks in my favor, read volume, everything that I use, guys, and keep it simple. So with all that being said, I hope you guys have an awesome ass day. We're not even gonna trade nothing. As you guys can see, let's pull up our Top Step X here and show you guys that, guys, we have not taken any trades. We're not gonna take anything because market is just looking crazy ugly. So I hope you guys have an awesome ass day. It is Tuesday. We're gonna continue on working on becoming a millionaire every single day, guys, and try to get $10,000 payouts every single month. That's what we're working on. So let's get it. I hope you guys have an awesome ass day.